to be your mentor. He ain't trying to sell you a course. He's here to show you what you never see before. Once you get it, it's a cheat code. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Live RyanMac. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Why would I lie to you? 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 Live RyanMac. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Live RyanMac. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Beats on the beat. Late shift, blue light, all night, TWB on. If you're still here, you're part of the song. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with bookmaps, trust that chat, slow control, no FOMO. RyanMac teaches that if you're here for the climb, not just the hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Mom's, dad's, grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars, trades, a schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community.
Let's get this thing going, huh?
I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late night close.
Oh, good morning. About ready to get started here in about 3 minutes. Running a little behind. Man, what a rough night. What a rough night. Just chop all the way through. Back and forth. 750's been the number. I've been watching it for a minute. The reason why is because it chopped me out of an eval. I was like, man, couldn't get it right. How's everybody doing? This last full trading day of the year. Thank you for joining me. Let's see what we got. That's good. That's good. Let's see. Oh, I got a little treat for you all. I'm going to be trading 2 PAs today from Elite Trader Funding. I got so chopped up on an eval last night that I didn't even take a trade on the performance accounts. So this is my setup right here. I want to long this. I missed it. You see the trade, take it. This is all I want to trade for. But this thing could keep going. Oh, there it is. Opening bell. Boom. course. That's all I wanted. Should have left it there. We're after the Macdicator gap. Opening bell. Oops. Beautiful. Now I gotta wait. Let's just see if we can get back up to 750. That's been the target. And then nope. Wow, first loss on this account, maybe? Maybe she goes, maybe she don't. Bummer.
Stop field.
Can't even get it. Now she goes. I had the right idea, just stop loss was too tight. Couldn't catch it. Like, been messing with me all night. Lost 590 on that one. Might take one more swing at it, but I'm gonna try it one more time.
Stop.
No, can't seem to get it on the right, on the head. Like, it's only 8 points. That's 1 for 1.
Stop. Stop.
Cannot read this thing properly. I'm not even full porting. Now it goes there. Now it does what I want it to do. Will I get it? Will it be nice to me? Beautiful.
Order filled.
Chasing now, huh?
Stock filled.
Bummer. We break, get a new low day in. Nope.
Stock filled.
Sheesh.
Stock filled.
Still wants to go up.
Stock filled.
Bummer.
Stock filled.
Mm-mm. We need to retest that VWAP. Come on. Mm-mm. No, it's gonna take me out. And it falls.
Stock filled.
Is that buyer still there? Maybe.
Stock filled.
Play the candle. Probably fall right into it. No. Buyer's not there anymore. Bummer. Nope. What do you got for seconds? 24 seconds to... Yeah, I should have got out when it was green. Pushing lower. Breaking. Trying to destroy my account. Nope. Dang. You want to use 5 minis. You're gonna get whipped.
Stop field.
Break even. Close, but no cigar. Didn't want to come up higher. I think we go lower. No? Maybe?
Stop field.
Men. What's MacD doing? What's everything? This thing is pushing for the lower side. Did we break it? We broke it. So close to TP. Can't get it. It's coming within like ticks of it. 13 seconds left. Another break even. Doesn't want to stay down there. Only like 15 points too, so.
Stop field.
Nope. Still think we go lower. But first,
Stop field.
min 1,
Stop field.
2, 3,
Stop field.
back up. Back down? Ooh. Can't get past 80. Somebody likes their 80. Sheesh. Yeah, there's a lot of buyers there, sellers there. Will I get it right now? Because if I get this, I'm done trading this account. Just missed it by a tick. My 2 points.
Order filled.
Got it. That's all I wanted. That's all I wanted. Actually ended up grossing out 605 bucks after commissions and fees, 466. But I was actually, look at that, right back up. That's a 150K account. It's up $12,000. Switch over to the 25K. Yeah, it's just I haven't been on point. Last night I knew that I would have issues today, trading this. So now I got the 25K up, which is up 1,100 bucks. I only need to make $100. No, I feel like we're going lower. Let's run.
Stock filled. Stock filled.
Whatever. Still moving higher. Finally broke that high. Probably go and go get that 4-tick gap.
Stock filled.
Watch it come back. It might. Retest that 200, or is it going to keep running higher? About the top. Going right for this gap, maybe.
Order filled.
TP'd.
Stock filled.
Could keep running up. Just gonna throw on one contract right back to these wicks here. See if we reject that Macdicator. And previous day close. Is the previous day open? Now that we're green. No. Now they're protecting Previous open, pretty good. Said psych. It was the top for now. Yeah. $32? No. I didn't want to stick around and find out if I was going to try to go back to 45. There's some sellers at 45 to 48, 50 even. So we'll see if wants to tap 30 back.
Order filled.
It did. All right. Total P&L 474. Less trades on that one. Oh, 26,666. Oh, I gotta change that. I don't want to stay. I want to stay out of. I'm not liking that number. Regardless, even if it's just a one and done. MNQ.
Stop filled. Order filled.
There you go. Got that number changed. I don't even care. All right. So I took 2 trades tonight or today this morning. Quick ones. I'm a fast in out type of trader. I don't like trading anything longer than RTH. I don't like risking size. So oh man, did I mess that up? I think I messed that up. One 61,705. Okay, yeah. I got what I wanted, needed. Just trying to make sure I hit my active trading day today. Comparing my profits to what I needed. I only like trading for $500 a day on these PAs. There's really no point after the fact. And they penalize you after 30% increase in the account. So nice pump up. We got we're headed right to that pivot. Boom. Hit it. Nice pump. Right back up. All is well, DK England. No, I really just took those 2 PAs and made $500 on them. Just under 500. Just under 500 on them each. 466, and I only need to make 355 on the 160 and $355, and then $150 on the 25K. So, and it's really kind of pointless to go higher or more than that. It's fun to take a couple trades on them nonetheless, but trying to do it as fast as you possibly can. Have a tight stop loss with minis. That's kind of my strategy. As for the elite trader funding, right now their one steps are 90% off, and that sale is going to be ending here soon. You can get 150K for $29.70. And I've taken one payout on them already. Working on the second one for actually another 2 of them. So I got 5 trading days left, but getting kind of exhausted a little bit on the trading part. So I think I might take a break in between these payouts for a day or 2. So I can withdraw quite a bit. So we'll see if I get there. So on got 7 days left on both of them to take a withdrawal. So today was day number 4. Oh, maybe I need maybe I have 6 days. Yeah, I got 5 days left on the 25K, and looks like 4 days left on the 150K. Not bad. I should be requesting another payout by next week. If all is well, we still have the 1st, which is a short trading day. The 2nd, so we have, well, tomorrow night is New Year's Eve, so trading holiday for New Year's Eve. They sent me an email. All right, so for Wednesday, markets operate normally, and then Thursday, markets are closed and reopen at 6, the 1st, and then Friday is normal. So the only thing we got going on as well. It's Wednesday. Today is Tuesday. So tonight, tomorrow, and then looks like we're closed until Thursday night. I guess. I don't know. I mean, I gotta double check it. We'll keep you posted. TWB will keep you posted. Marson activation's $87. But the one thing about Elite Trader funding, and that's all across most accounts. So if you get a static, the activation is $87. If you get a end of day drawdown, activation is $87. And then a one step 90% off is $87. And that's paid monthly. And then there is a one-time activation fee. Now it's not like the counterpart Apex, where you pay one time. So you pay monthly. If you say, for instance, you want to pay monthly, you can pay monthly, but then you can upgrade down the road to a, a one time. If you say you take a payout on that and you just want to upgrade it because you're done paying the subscription, then that's what you would do, is upgrade it. So yeah, they have, the only thing about these evals or these PAs, these performance accounts, is you need to I kind of figured it out. I kind of wiggled my way in through Elite Trader funding, and let me put up the accounts. So we have Lucid. Lucid has a sale right now, 50% off. New customers for the first 2 evals or purchases, and then you have 40% off on the 25 and 50K, and then you get, if you buy 5, you get 1 free reset. So for Lucid, and then we have Elite Trader funding. Elite Trader funding right now is 90% off. They've been 90% off all freaking month, and they're actually going to be shutting that down, I think, tonight. But they allow up to 5 accounts, copy trading allowed. You can upgrade to a one-time activation after you even get the monthly. You have add-ons that you can add on to help prevent you from loss. Yeah, sure, great, that's awesome. Marson, that's, yeah, they're nice. There's a difference between the payout cap on the Pro or the Flex. The Flex, you need 2 days of pass, 50% consistency with a buffer, $90 or like a little bit of a buffer if you want to pass it in 2 days on a Flex. And then you have a daily loss limit on the Pro. In the Flex, you do not have a daily loss limit in eval. Both end of day trailing, so it's end of day drawdowns, so you don't have a trailing drawdown, which I still find it's been difficult for me to get through them. I don't know why. I've been having a hard time with Lucid, but because I got through ETF and I got 2 PAs and ETF, and I'm just struggling with getting a PA and a performance account in Lucid right now. But ETF, one thing I've learned with them is that they're pretty much only rules, don't blow in the funded account, is don't blow the account. You can take any size trade that you want to take, that you're allowed to take on their evals. And then you have these 2 rules that you have to meet. You have to meet their minimum, which is, depending on the size account, anywhere between $100 to $200 a day. Green. Okay. They don't care. To me, it seems like they don't care how you get there. They just want you to get there. And then you have to make 23% of your best profit days. So if you make $1,000 in a day, your 23% is $230. So you'd have to make 200 and the 230. So your minimum goal would be 230. Does that make sense? 230 bucks. See, they give you no rules outside of how to get there. They don't say no MAE. They don't have any like anything crazy. You must know because you've done it, Merson. But I've found that like I'd rather get just the basic minimum for the next. Right, exactly. With good PA, it's not a problem. I'd rather get to the basic 23% every day than get $1,000 a day. Because one thing with prop firms is that unless you're an elusive flex and can take 50% of your winnings after X amount of days, one thing I've learned is just you're gonna, in a prop firm, there's no point in making $10,000 in the account. Period. There's no point. Okay, the account is not a cash account. First off, not only is the account not a cash account, but everything you add into it only adds to either your consistency or something of that nature when it comes to like a rule or a goal or a profit target. It just adds to you. And the thing is that you only kind of want to just meet their minimum. That's how you beat their rules, no matter who they are or what firm it is. If you want to beat these guys, you want to take payouts on them, you just have to meet the minimum. You don't need to go crazy. And the thing is that if you see a massive move in the market, you'll never be able to capitalize on that whole move unless you're in a cash account. That's just how it goes. Unless you're in a cash account and unless you are doing your thing when it comes to a cash account to get the most out of your money, it's best in a prop firm to just catch the bare minimum what they require. And if that's just a trade, just a single trade, or whatever the case is, or say for instance like $500 a day is the best way to go about it. But you don't want to overextend these things, and that's why it's like, oh, you can't feel some sort of way when the market moves a particular way, especially if it's sim funded. So just stick to the bare minimum. RMTWB for Lucid, ETF, Elite Trader Funding. Apex is 90% off right now. 1 day to pass. That's Alex's. Well, but Apex has an MAE. Apex has 30%, and you have to stay within a particular price and to take a withdrawal. Elite, you need to be above the buffer, which is what your drawdown was, by $100. You need to, and then before you can take a payout request, you just take those 23%, of your best trading day profit. So I could make $1,000 a day for 8 days if I wanted to buff up the account. But then they did put a rule on there saying if you did get 30%, if you did increase your account by 30%, say if it was 150K, if you increase your account to $180,000, your drawdown moves, your buffer moves. So you only have 30 grand to work with, and if you can stay between, like I'm trying to stay within that $30,000 over the period of life of the sim, which is 4 payouts. Where they push you into a live cash, or at least the 5 payouts. But by the time you get to that payout, then by the time you get to the 4th or the 5th payout, you're being invited to go to live cash. So it's kind of one of those situations for ETF. Excuse me one moment. So yeah, it's one of the reasons why I like where I traded with the Elite Trader funding in the beginning, because I was like, well, Apex is like $20, but haven't been able to swing in a hit with them yet. So I'll try Elite Trader funding because they're at 20% or 90% off. So I was like, bought a couple of those. Ended up taking a payout. It took me, oh, what am I on? I bought 11 evals. So yeah, I bought 11 evals, and those are including resets. All right, back down. Whatever. So I bought 11 of those, and I did buy them at 20% or 90% off. So let's see, and I bought at the time I was buying the 100Ks for $50 or for $20. So let's see, I got 100K, 100K, intermediate, 1, 2, and then 25, 50Ks, 50K, and 100K. Okay, so and I did reset, so I had 11 of them. So just everything under 100. So that by $20 times 11 was $220 is what I spent. And then I've only had 2 other PAs or performance accounts out with them, 100K and a 50K. Blew those. So times 87 times 2 for the first month. So 160. $394. All right, and then I paid for those current PAs that I had for 87 times 2. So okay, so I have invested in it in this prop. I've invested $568, but I've withdrawn 2,250. So I'm up $1,600 in this prop, which ain't bad. But as an example, with ETF, I'm profitable. Lucid, I've yet to accomplish any of that yet, but I'm working on it. Just kind of building it up slowly. Last 2 days of the year are here.
still here, you're part of the song. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with bookmaps, trust that chat, slow control, no FOMO. RyanMac teaches that if you're here for the climb, not just the hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Mom's, dad's grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cars, trades, a schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community, scam a Ponzi. I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late
Right
night
back.
close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough, you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. That's right. Everybody's favorite community, the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps.
Holding up here at the bottom, just under 700.
Community, man. It's the TWB community. It's the TWB community, man. Yeah, it's the TWB community. Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough, you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. All these guys are saying where the females at, man.
We go higher.
Saying, bro, what are you on about, man?
We go lower.
Trade futures in here, bro. We trade futures, man. This is future.
Go back up and retest POC, or just hover here in this chop.
Go on Tinder, bro. Go on Tinder, go on Hinge. Go
Higher low.
the rap, bro. We trade futures in here.
Right back to retest. We need to retest this VWAP, this 200 EMA, even to get this here for this U retracement. Maybe we come back up like this.
Cats beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in.
Yeah.
charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down, trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets loose. You see red, you panic, we see red, we wait. Discipline the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe.
I know nothing. I even wanted to trade it.
Don't just feel. Most want frills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal.
I rejected that VWAP.
Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare up at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with a tape, heart on chill. Master the mind, that's the real skill. Think with Bookmaps, feel that pace. T-P-O-V-B fam, we don't chase. Price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too. Think with Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want thrills, but this game's too real. One cleans up, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's alright. Let the world rush.
Excuse me.
Sometimes I stare at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they face. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. Ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with a tape, heart on chill. Master the mind, that's the real skill. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too.
Order fill.
Ah, wanted to rest that order there, but we'll see. Do we break 695? Go lower.
RMTWB, think with Bookmaps, baby. Let's get it. Live RMTWB. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Live RMTWB. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Alex guys, you are trading on liquidity and order flow. You gotta know the flow. Live setups, bro, that's all you need. Pro insights, how you get them profits up. He ain't trying to be your mentor. He ain't trying to sell you a course. He's here to show you what you never see before. Once you get it, it's a cheat code. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Live RMTWB. You don't know what you're missing, what you're waiting for. Why would I lie to you? 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 Why would I lie to you?
I'll just set it at break even. Who wants to go, to go. If not, oh well.
Why would
Stop fill.
Yeah. Figured. Better to break it even than watch it just dump off now. Of course. Of course. I it'll get me out before it even gets there. Huh. All right, it's 10:30 on the Eastern Seaboard. See if they push it lower. Yeah, figured so. That's a nice try. Hmm. Spread out those EMAs. We got 803 resting orders at 712. Right up here. Market makers might go call that bluff. No. Hmm. Out. This one's cooked. The trade was cooked from the moment I entered it. Still think that we're pushing to go higher.
Stop fill.
Yeah. That was a 20 EMA rejection. That 800 lot fell off though. Someone likes their 710. A market maker out there likes their 710. I don't know. While we sit here in this trade, not much else you can do. But wait. Doesn't matter. If you overstay your welcome, they'll get you out. All right, that's daily loss limit in play. We're cooked. Nice try. That was a nice, valiant try, but didn't matter which way I went. It would have stopped me out on the way up. I entered where I entered, and it would have fell back down anyway, so. Didn't really matter. I could have taken profit there, yeah. I could have did that. Kind of saved the account a little bit. Yeah. All right, well, daily loss limit hit. Push down.
Stop.
Oh, wow. That actually almost blew it. And then it comes right back up. Like my original idea of going long is still kind of valid in a way. Let's try it.
stop field.
No. No, it's just a chop fest. Super choppy. All right, here's some entertainment. If we get to my TP, then I pass this account. Probably, maybe. We'll see. All right, let's go for broke. Either gets to my TP or it takes my stop loss. Maybe it does it, maybe it doesn't. I don't know. Macdicator for the win. Maybe, maybe not. So close. So close. Like within a tick. It's insane. Probably even go a little higher. Maybe. We'll see. Oh.
Order filled.
All right, pass the eval. That's how you do it. 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 3K. Boom. Clip that one. That was sick. We'll take that. Lucid PA underway. Performance account. Here we come. Passed. Well, what is the rules for Lucid 50K? For funded. No 40% consistency. Yeah, that put me at 3,136. Let's see. $3,000 profit target. That was a great trade. No scaling. Days to payout 5. Minimum days to profit 100. Okay. Macdicator for the win. Traded right to it. Got right up to it. Not a bad setup. Live on stream, passing. Already upgrading it to a funded account. Boom. Account upgraded successful. I got a funded account in Lucid Trading. Boom. There we go. All on stream. All on stream right here. All right, so with a Lucid funded account, look at a Pro funded. Lucid Pro funded account is a simulated account where traders build simulated capital, earn payouts, and potentially be moved to live markets. Okay, I got a 50K, so my max loss is $2,000. I have a $1,200 fixed daily loss limit and a 60% of peak end of day balance. 4 minis or 40 micros. Okay, Lucid Pro funded accounts benefits. Objectives on the dashboard update in real time within 5 to 30 minutes of your last close trade. Scaling daily loss limit that allows you to grow with account balance, provides flexible risk. No scaling plan. No simulated payout caps. All right. All right, what's the payout rules? Let's go to payout rules. To be eligible for a payout from a Lucid Pro account, you must not violate any trading rules. What are those? %, 10% on a funded split. Accounts purchased to be reset before this date is eligible for 100%. Okay. Payout eligibility criteria. Okay, to meet my payout for this account in 5 days. I need a minimum profit trading day. Okay. You must earn at least a minimum required profit of 5 separate days during the payout cycle. So a minimum of $100 in this account. Consistency percentage. Your largest single day profit must be no more than 40% of your total profit during the payout cycle. All right, so 40% consistency percentage resets after each payout. This ensures that profits are earned with consistency, not via one unusually large trading day. Okay. Profit over buffer balance. All right. Minimum payout request is $500. Maximum payout amounts depends on the account size and payout cycle. So first 2 cycles of a 50K is $1,500. All right, so I need to make that payout cycle. What do I need? $2,100 plus 1,500 equals 3,600. I have 5 days to do it, so you divide that by 5. $720 a day. That's just the minimum with no freaking drawdown. So $1,000 a day with 4 minis. But who wants to use 4 minis? So $1,000, that's 50 points. With 1 mini, 25 points with 2. I think I'll run 2. All right. We'll do 2. Looks like we're just pushing up. MACD's coming up, hasn't even started to curl yet.
Stop fill.
It'll take a long. Get over this pivot. Go back to high of day. Oh, I used 4 minis? Oh, come on, Ryan. Get with the program. I'm in here buying the top of this move. Why? Why did I do such a crazy thing? MACD. Deltas are not there yet. We can get over 58. But just think it's one of the last full days of the year. Figure somebody wants to pump it to get out. No, this trade's cooked. Unless it proves me otherwise, but we'll see. Yeah, it's cooked.
Stop fill.
Should have went short. Stop loss, too tight. Yeah, K-Mac the Farmer, they do it as soon as your dashboard updates for Lucid. So I just showed you, I passed a pro just then and there. I'm in a funded account now, making stupid moves, right? Sheesh. I only lost $500 there. I do want to go long, but I didn't know that maybe we could get back up there. See? Oh man, that would have been my stop loss wasn't so tight. It'd be in it. 60, 68, yeah, 75. Still think we're going higher. I mean, only trying to get 12.5 points. Yeah, if I would have bought it down there, but my stop was down there.
Stop fill.
See if we reject the pivot quickly. I see the MACD's trying to move to the lower end. See if we come back and capture this move. Nope. Is it gonna go? Is it gonna go? No. Nope. Still a lot of time in this candle to go back up. Lower high? Is this a lower high? Market maker is gonna keep it down. They're gonna bring it to the 9 EMA. Yeah. Bummer. 10 seconds left in this candle. They could do a lot with it. Right there at the 90, it may have bounced right back up. Struggling, they're fighting. They're fighting right here. They're like, hey, fool, look at all these contracts. 70 contracts just chilling there. Go back to 50, 45. Could go back to 50. Yeah. To the downside. Let's try 40. See if it rocks off to 40. Maybe. Put in a break even. See if we get back down here. Could bounce here at 47.50. 50 could be the bouncing point too. 50 here. Yep, bounced off 50. Right back up to my break even. Watch it just fall right down. Didn't take my stop loss. It's still there, so it can still come get it. So of course it can. Why wouldn't it? It's the NQ. Gonna take it. I have more hope in my stop loss than I do my TP. Pretty sad. Wants to stay below the pivot. Yeah. It was a valiant try. What are you gonna try to do? Yep, still down $500. So we bounced. Of course, I was in the right direction. It just came for my stop loss. See, that's what we do as traders. We take a trade, we don't believe in it, comes back, hits our break even, and then tears away 50 points without us. So we lost hope or some sort of feeling, emotion, got it. Somebody likes their 50 though. Anyway, on that note, I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much for watching. Check out Lucid. Turn around, make it a PA immediately after you pass it. Beat Trader Funding 90% off ends soon. So Apex 90% off. I don't know for how long. And then of course Blue Sky's got $100 accounts until tomorrow. So by all means, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you guys all paying attention, hanging out with me in the morning. Peace.
Gas beats on the vibe. TWB, we locked in.
Yeah, charts run deep when the lights go low. Alex on stream, letting all of it show. No hype, no cap, just the honest flow. We don't guess here, we just let it go. Watching Bookmap like it's painting truth. Every level tell a story, every flash got proof. I've seen traders break down trying to chase that move, but we sit still even when the price gets loose. You see red, you panic, we see red, we wait. Discipline the difference between love and hate. It's not just lines, it's the way you breathe. WB taught me how to trade and lead. Think with Bookmaps, don't just feel. Most want thrills, but this game's too real. One clean setup, that's the deal. This ain't about luck, it's how you heal. Mind sharp, wrist light, wrist tight. Streaming live, but my head's on right. Let the world rush, I stay calm. Found my edge in the quiet, not the storm. Sometimes I stare at the chart for an hour straight. No trade, no stress, just protecting fate. Most lose fast, trying to move like greats, but greatness waits, that's the part they fake. Seen people blow bags off a single loss. ego loud when you don't know the cost. Alex talking, I just take the notes. Every word hit different when your soul's that close. I don't need hype, I just need that zone. I don't need signals, I can see it on my own. Flow with the tape, heart on chill, master the mind, that's the real skill. Think with bookmaps, feel that pace. WB fam, we don't chase, price don't lie. You just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too. Yeah, think with bookmaps, feel that pace. TWB fam, we don't chase, price don't lie, you just gotta see that patience is profit eventually. Protect that peace, don't trade to impress. Most just flex, but they trade in stress. This stream ain't noise, it's growth in view. We study the market and ourselves too.